Yeah, so everything we surface up is through our data platform called Marquis IQ. The dashboards and alerts and notifications are all within our portal. It's all standardized and available via dashboards and email notifications, whatever is the most appropriate communication for that use case. We go into clients where they had failed business intelligence projects. Those are really horror stories. I mean, I don't know what the number is. Probably over 70% of BI projects fail. And you kind of look under the hood and you realize, oh, well, they have 7,000 dashboards. So how is a user supposed to know which dashboard to use? And, the data in this dashboard doesn't match this dashboard because it was built by someone 4 years ago. For us, it's about simplifying, having 4 or 5 standard dashboards that model a business use case and serve those up in a cohesive interface. All of our dashboards follow the same design guide principles. They all look the same. So a user comes in on the procurement team or the sales team or the operations team, and they'll all look the same, right? So there's this element of trust just baked into cohesiveness of our dashboards.